Hello students, how are you all? So today I am going to continue with my same lesson, that is climate, soil, natural vegetation and animals of Karnataka. So today I am going to explain you all about the rainy season, the period of retreating monsoon, the winter season, distribution of rainfall. So first let me start with the rainy season. So this is also known as the season of southwest monsoon waves. The western Ghats check the moisture laden winds blowing from the Arabian Sea, resulting in the heavy rain. As it moves eastward, the amount of rainfall gets reduced. This is because of the eastern Maida. It is the rain shadow area. Here we will experience the less rainfall. Agumbe. It is in the Shimoga district. It is an area of heavy rainfall. So it is also called as an Chirapunji of South India. And Bhagamandala, it is in Kodugu district, and Hullikal are the other places of the heavy rainfall. So which are the heavy places of heavy rainfall? Agumbe and Bhagamandala and the Hullikal. So these are the places where we experience the heavy rainfall. And Nayakanhatti near Chillakeri in Chitradurga records the lowest rainfall. So during this season, it is in the entire state the temperature is very high. As a result, the relative humidity is very high. There is cloudy atmosphere throughout the year, and during this season, Karnataka receives about 80% of its rainfall, and this helps in the cultivations of the Kharif crops. So do you know what you all mean by Kharif crops? Are nothing but like rice, corn, soya bean, sugar cane, groundnut, cotton. So these are called as Kharif crops. So what we have seen in the rainy season? So in the rainy season, we have seen that there are the places like Agumbe, it is Shimoga district. It is heavy rainfall. We can see it is also called as Chirapunji of the South India. Bhagamandala, it is in the Kodugu district, and Hullikal. So other places we can see experience the heavy rainfall and in the Chitradurga, that is Nayakanhatti near Chillakeri and Chitradurga, it records the lowest, means here the rainfall is very less. And during this season, the Karnataka receives how much percent of rainfall? It's 80% of the rainfall. And in this rainy season, people normally, the farmers grow the crops, which are those crops, that is rice, corn, soya bean, sugar cane, groundnut, cotton, and these crops are called as Kharif crops. So that is about the rainy season. The next one, that is the period of retreating monsoon. So this period of retreating monsoon, I said you this rainy season, when we experience the rainy season, in which month? It is June to September. And the period of retreating monsoon, that from the October to November. And it is also called as northeast monsoon season. And due to the decrease in the temperature and increase in the pressure, the winds blow from the north, east and to the southwest. These winds are dry because they blow from the land. And the winds which blow from the Bay of Bengal. Do you all know where is this Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal is in the south, and bring a little rainfall. So here what we experience, the winds are blowing from the Bay of Bengal, from the oceans and all. So that time we can experience the rainfall, and the distribution of the due to the cyclones coming from the Bay of Bengal. Bengal, the heavy winds and all during the November-December rainfall occurs. And during this season, the state receive about 12% of rainfall. So this is about the period of retreating monsoon, that winds blows from the Bay of Bengal and all, and here and there occurs the cyclones also. Here we experience the 12% of rainfall. The next one, that is the winter season. So normally winter season starts from December and it ends to February. So the winter will be very cold. So during this season, the temperature is humidity and rainfall is low, and the sky will be clear. The average temperature is between 25 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. January is a month which records the lowest temperature. This is called as a tourist month. So all the people of the world will be visiting the places, and so it is called as a tourist place of the state. And the minimum temperature recorded in the Belagavi is 6.7 degree Celsius, and there is a low temperature in the north districts, that is like Vijaypura, Kalaburgi, Bidar. Only 1% of the total rainfall is received during this time, and there is heavy fog. You can see more fog in the occasionally early in the mornings. So this is about the winter seasons, and the distribution of rainfall, or the distribution of rainfall everywhere is not the same. The Malnad and coastal plains receive heavy rainfall. The eastern Maidans are the areas of the low rainfall. Often droughts are nothing but the shortage of water, floods, due to heavy rainfall. The rivers will be overflowed. Those are called as floods, occur due to the uneven and uncertain rainfalls. And also already we are the people, we are experiencing the floods, and now heavy rainfalls are taking places, and then many of the districts are floating in the water. Yes, so the distribution of rainfall, it is not same in all the districts, and in some districts experience the heavy rainfall, and some other districts low rainfall, and some other districts there is no rainfall. Like for example, like Chitradurga, Naikanhatti, the rainfall is very low all the time. It will be very hot. Again, when we go to Agumbe, Bhagamandala, so these places will experience the heavy rainfall and all. But children, so here these are my topics of today's. Tomorrow again I am going to continue with my same lesson. Hope you are understanding. Thank you, students.